everybody, and welcome to Monday's math lesson. So this week we're going to take a break from the worksheets, and we're going to go back to our roots and do a lot of hands-on activities for this week. So I sent home some paper money. So I sent home paper dollar bills. I cut some of them out for you all, and then for the kiddos that have been working on cutting, you all should be cutting those out before we work on this lesson. So go ahead and pause this lesson if you have not cut out your dollar bills yet, and then when you get done with that, you can come back and continue watching. Okay? All right. So for those of you that have already had their dollar bills cut out, we are going to go to the virtual grocery store today. Are you all excited? I know I am. I'm ready to get my groceries. All right. So I am going to show you a grocery item, okay? And it's going to have a price tag. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to count the amount that is on the price tag, and I want you to hand it over to your parent or your sibling, whoever is working with you, okay? So for example, let's see. So my first item is what? This is bologna, and it is $3, right? So what I want you to do, you can either go to your the virtual money manipulatives, or you can use your real money, right? So this is $3. So I'm going to show that I can make $3. 1, 2, 3. Right? It's that easy. $3. All right. I'm going to give you a second to do that. Now, again, I was just modeling this, so we'll go ahead and go to the next one, okay? If I can. Oh, goodness. Technology is really not working with me today. All right. The next one is what? What is this? Is it butter or is it candy? Good job. This is butter. And it's how much money? It is $3. Remember that S with the slash in it? It's a dollar sign. So it's 3.00. You're just going to read this number, $3 right here. So you're going to show me how much is $3. So go ahead and get your money out. And while you do that, while you show me $3, I'm going to be showing you $3, okay? 1, 2, 3. I have my $3 for my butter. Can you show me your $3? Good job. All right, I'm just clearing this up for the next one, okay? And Aiden, if this is too easy for you, buddy, you can add up the price tags together. So for example, if you and Dad want to work on adding, you can add up the bologna, the price of the butter, and the price of the PB&J. And you can add up whatever is on this page, but this is the only page that we're going to work on today, okay? So you can do that. Everybody else, we should be on this level, okay? And you can still follow along if you want to, Aiden. Obviously, it's whatever you and Dad would like to do. But this may be a little bit too easy for you. Okay, the next item is what? Yeah, it's peanut butter. Peanut butter is so good. Oh my goodness. I need to get some peanut butter. How much is the peanut butter? Is it $2 or $5? Good job. It's $5. Can you show me how much money is $5? Go ahead and show me. Are you done? All right, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 for your peanut butter. Hand it over. Awesome. So our next item from the grocery store is going to be pumpkins. That's weird. Pumpkins are not in season, but I guess we'll take some, right? So how much are the pumpkins? Are they $1 or are they $5? Good job, they're $5. Can you show me what $5 looks like using your dollar bills? Go ahead and show me. Good job. All right, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are adding them up. This is $5 bills. Good job. What do you think we're going to need next? Oh my goodness. Oh, yum, 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 yum. I love red grapes. Do you prefer red grapes or do you prefer green grapes? I like red. The green are way too sour. But that is just my opinion, right? We talked about opinions today in reading. All right, so how much are the grapes? Good job. Remember, we're just looking at this number right here, the first number. It is $2. So, and this is hard, okay? So, the first number next to the dollar sign means the dollars, the amount of dollars. The dot is just a break between the dollars and the change. So, it's $2 and 0 change, okay? All right, show me your $2 for your grapes. You ready to show me? I'm ready to show you. 1, 2. That's $2. Is that enough to buy my grapes? Yeah, it is. Good job. All right, and obviously, friends, if I'm going too quick, you can feel free to rewind, pause, you can replay this video, whatever you need to do, okay? All right, what's next on our grocery list? Is it candy or yogurt? Good job, it's yogurt. All right, so how much is the yogurt? Whew, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. The yogurt is $2. Can you show me how much $2 is? Go ahead and show me and I'll show you, okay? All right, 1, 2. That's $2. Do we have enough to pay for the yogurt? Yes, we do. Remember, friends, you can't just go into the grocery store and just pick whatever you want and take it. You got to buy for things. You got to buy and pay for things. And that's why you have to do chores or you have to have a job to make money. All right. So what is this? Is this mustard or is it ketchup? Good job. It's a mustard. Mustard is yellow, right? Awesome. How much is the mustard? Good job. It's $1 because we're looking just at the first number, right? All right, show me $1. This is $1 bill. Can you show me $1? Good job, friends. All right, I think we just have a few left. Oh, we just have one left for today. All right, how much is this ketchup? Is it $1 or $3? Good job. It is $1. So go ahead and show me $1. Is this the same amount that you have? Yay! Good job. That's $1. All right. So, friends, if this was too easy for you, then like I said, you can start adding. You can start adding the grocery store items together. Parents, you can make a receipt and have them do the total of ketchup, mustard, and pumpkins. Or if you need it a little bit simpler, then you can give them, let's see, you can give them two options and have, like, for example, if you're trying to pay for the ketchup, it's $1. You can give them two options, $1 or $3, and then you have them pick the $1. And if they're making a lot of errors, then you can do errorless learning and then just give them one option. So, for example, if the ketchup we're still working on the ketchup, so I'd have that $1 out, and then I'd have them point to the $1. Just to kind of give them that consistency and that correctiveness. And if you have any additional questions for me, feel free to reach out. We will be doing this the rest of the week. So Tuesday and Thursday we'll finish the rest of our grocery store items. All right, I hope to see you back at the grocery store Tuesday, okay? Have a good one, friends. Bye.